No place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need.
Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog, and in today's vlog we're going to be making some matoke. Matoke is a traditional dish. Matoke is just green bananas. So I have prepared some ingredients. I have the bananas over here. I have chopped and washed them. I also have some potatoes, some onions. I have chopped 2 huge onions, and I also have some garlic cloves, 3 garlic cloves. I have mixed bell peppers, the red one and the yellow one. I have diced tomatoes over here, some carrots, and here I have some coriander leaves that I've not yet chopped. For the spices, I am going to be using black pepper. I'm also going to be using garlic powder, some onion powder, beef and onion powder, some paprika, some tomato paste. Then for my beef, I've boiled some beef. I've added some mixed herb and a bay leaf. Over here I have my boiled beef. It's completely cooked. I'm going to be adding my cooking oil and onions, and I'm going to leave my onions to cook until they are translucent.
Then I will stay here forever.
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your
Guys,
side.
this is how my meat looks at this point, and I can't lie to you, the flavor infused in the meat by the onions is just amazing. My kitchen smells so nice at this moment, and you can see my onions are cooked and now they're translucent. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be adding my tomatoes, and I'm going to leave them to cook before adding my spices.
I am so low. Hop into the cockpit.
Isn't it amazing how something as simple as onions can flavor your food?
What have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, 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 oh. What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our life.
Guys, look at that juiciness. I wish you'd visit my kitchen, guys, because it smells amazing. My tomatoes are cooked, and now it's time I add my spices. So in goes my spices. I have mixed all my spices in a bowl. Yeah. Then we are going now to stir the spices together until they are well mixed. I have added my tomato paste off camera, and I've diluted some in here. And in goes the dark soy sauce.
So what have you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, 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 what's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Every single second I just feel like I should say that I'm so glad I couldn't quit you. Every single moment I just hope you feel the same. It heals me when you say that it's
So at this point, guys, our meat is cooked and our spices are well incorporated. We are going to add our potatoes first because potatoes take a longer time to cook. And once they have softened, we are going now to add our matoke or our green bananas.
been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Right now, I will be right here. Right now, I will be right here. Right now, I will be right.
So far, this is how my potatoes look like, and we are now going to add in our green bananas. Apart from the green bananas, we are also going to add our carrots at this point, and we are going to stir all the ingredients together. After stirring, I'm going to add some water, but if in any case you have broth, the better, to continue building up your flavor. But in my case, I do not have any broth left behind, so I'm going to add enough water to allow the potatoes and the green bananas to cook before adding our peppers and coriander leaves. Guys, this is what we have now. We have added the water, we've added the green bananas, so let's wait for the green bananas to cook and for the potatoes to fully cook since they were partially cooked. And once it has come to a boil, we're going to add our red and yellow bell peppers and top it off with some coriander leaves, and our matoke is going to be ready. Nothing slaps harder than this meal, and I'm very certain that it's going to be delicious. Guys, this is how matoke is looking at this point. You can see that the bananas are cooked. Same case to the potatoes. Before they get mushy, we are going to add in our peppers. Adding peppers as the last ingredient so that they cannot overcook because you need crunchy vegetables. So that's what we have so far. And as you can see, I've prepared a huge meal. My pot is full to the brim. I really can't wait to enjoy this.
You and me just laying blankets on a beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up easy, chasing after you. Hello, where you at, where you been? Tell me everything about you. Go.
Finally, after a long wait, though not that long, I have added my coriander leaves to my matoke, and they are cooked. Maybe at a closer range you can see everything is cooked. The meat is well cooked, the green bananas are well cooked, the potatoes are well cooked, and when it comes to the bell peppers, they are not mushy, but again they are crunchy and good to go. So this will be my meal. I'll be serving my meal and I'll show you how it looks once plated. But you need to try out this dish. I know it's one of the traditional dishes and it's hectic to prepare green bananas, most especially because of that liquid that comes off the bananas, which is quite sticky and sometimes can stain your hands when you're prepping them. But traditional foods have that richness. They give you that nostalgic moment of the days when you were growing up. So maybe once in a while, let's try and dive into the traditional foods because they're healthy and we need to continue maintaining them, and also we need to teach the Generation Z the good aspects of the traditional foods in our various cultures. So I'm going to be enjoying my matoke. I have some avocado somewhere, and who doesn't want an avocado in this season? So I'm going to be enjoying my meal. I hope that you're going to try and make your own matoke, maybe even in a different way with a variety of other spices.